Welcome to our brief exploration of the anatomy of sloths, nature's ultimate slow movers. In this short video, we'll uncover the unique anatomical features that make sloths perfectly adapted to their leisurely lifestyle. Sloths have long curved claws and strong limbs designed for hanging upside down from tree branches, providing them with a secure grip. Their slow metabolism is supported by a large multi-chambered stomach that helps digest their fibrous diet of leaves. Sloths have extra neck vertebrae, allowing them to rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, giving them a wide field of vision. From their specialized limbs to their slow metabolism, sloths are fascinating examples of adaptation to a life in the trees. Join us next time for more intriguing insights into the animal kingdom.